Welcome. Today we're diving into a heartwarming journey from our kitchen to the hearts of others. We're exploring how baking and sharing cookies can be a powerful recipe for mental health and wellness. Baking is an act of mindfulness, a moment where we can focus on the simplicity of ingredients coming together to create something wonderful. It's a process that invites calmness, allowing us to take a break from the digital buzz and the fast pace of life. As we measure, mix, and bake, we're not just creating cookies, we're nurturing our mental health one stir at a time. But the magic doesn't stop when the timer dings. Sharing these baked treasures with friends, family, or even strangers can amplify the joy. The act of giving is deeply connected to our sense of happiness and community. It reminds us that small gestures of kindness can make a big difference in someone's day, and in our own mental wellness. Every cookie given away weaves a thread of connection, creating a tapestry of compassion and understanding. Whether it's a thank you to a healthcare worker, a gesture of friendship to a neighbor, or a surprise for someone who's been feeling down, these cookies carry a message. You are not alone. In a world that needs more kindness, baking and sharing cookies is a simple yet profound way to contribute to mental health and wellness. It's about more than just the sweetness of sugar. It's about the sweetness of caring for ourselves and each other. So I encourage you, no matter your baking skill level, to try it out. Bake with intention, share with love, and watch as the simple act of giving becomes part of a larger movement towards wellness and joy. Thank you for joining me today. Let's spread kindness, one cookie at a time. Remember, every batch you bake and every cookie you share can be a beacon of light in someone's life. Until next time, take care of yourself and take care of each other.